Hello, Mr. Miller here, online math teacher. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how you can use this website random.org to generate numbers. So this website is neat. It uses atmospheric space noise to be able to get random numbers. Now this is really a pseudo number random generator, which is what most of them are, so don't worry. So if you go to just the main page, you'll see right here the true random number generator. You can say what's the minimum value you want the number to be, what's the maximum. Maybe I want it to be between 0 or 1 and 1,000. I can hit generate and it will give me, after thinking, one number. So that's useful, but you might not want to spend there and one day just keep hitting that repeatedly. So we're going to look at two other options it has. So these are under their free services. And we're going to, in particular, look at the integer generator and the sequence generator. So let's look at the integer generator first. So its default is generate 100 random integers. Each integer should have a value between two different things. So maybe I'm going to take my values between 0 and 10, or sorry, 1 and 10. And I want to organize my data in, let's say, 5 columns. Doesn't really matter. It's more of a visual for you. And then I can hit get numbers. And what it will do is it will generate 100 numbers, random numbers between 1 and 10 for me, and it's organized them in these 5 columns. Now, when you use this random integer generator, it's going to allow repeats, so you can clearly see all the repeat numbers here. And we could go back, and there's a more advanced mode, so if you really want to get into and work in, say, bases other than base 10, you could do that here, but you probably are fine with the simple mode, so you don't need to mess with anything. Just put in what you want. So this is good if you want repeats. If you do not want repeats, what I recommend, if you go back to the home screen, is we go to the sequence generator. Say you want 10 random numbers between 1 and 100. And I'm just going to tell it to put it in one column for me. What I'm going to do is I'll set my smallest value to be 1, the largest 100, and then I will say get sequence. What this has done is it has randomly arranged every number from 1 to 100 in an order. So if you want 10 numbers, all you need to do is just pick off the first 10 values here that it comes off, because that would represent 10 random digits without allowing repeats. So this is a quick way to get random numbers without repeats. So this random.org, I really like it. It's useful. So maybe you'll find it useful too. Well, that's it. I hope you learned something from this, and if you did, have an awesome day.